Good evening, all. My name is Tyria Stokes, a resident of Newark, New Jersey, and I was born and raised in Jersey City, New Jersey, 36 years old. And I am the mother of one. His name is Zion Austin. He actually is my miracle child. After surviving cervical cancer, I was told that I would never have children, and in 2016, I was told that I was expecting. So he is my miracle baby. Very smart little boy. Homeschooled him for the first 2 years of his life. He is now in daycare. He will be 3 in January. I am a student at Ashford University, and I am receiving my master's in education with a concentration in family and community service. My professional background, I am an educator. I have been in education for 10 plus years. Started out as an office manager, and then I went into substitute teaching. From there, I became an in-school suspension teacher. From there, I became acting dean. I then transferred to a new school, which I am still at, Marion P. Thomas Charter School in Newark, New Jersey. There, I was an interventionist for 6 years. This year, I am now a first grade teacher, and I am teaching math, science, and social studies. The intervention program was brought to an end, so they pushed all of the interventionists into a position called teachers in training. So it is my first year teaching. My ultimate goal is not to be in the classroom. However, it was a position that was offered. I love the children, and it is a challenge for me. It is something different, but I am taking the challenge with stride. Our school has just went through a new network, a BRIC education network is the name of it. And it's all under new administration, new principal, everything is brand new. Been there for 7 years now. So it's a hard transition for me. But I am pushing through, trying to finish up school, being a single mom, and all of that good stuff. So that's my professional background. I'm also a community activist, very active in my community. In 2008, I started my own nonprofit organization, which is entitled COTS, Community Outreach Transformation Station, where we hold sessions for teens in Jersey City, and we do character building sessions through performing arts. My goal with my degree is to become a stakeholders engagement specialist. I think that it is very important to bridge the gap between school, family, and community. And that is something that I want to do. I want to start my own consulting business and just staffing people to different schools to actually follow through with that title. I look forward to what we will learn in this class, and have a great evening.